welcome to another Nimble video tutorial. I was going to do a video today, but when I hopped into LinkedIn and looked at my feed, I noticed a couple of memes that made me laugh, and I figured I better make something and address some of these ideas that I had floating around in my head. This particular meme was posted by Yusuf Slimani. It's really spot on of what it's like to be a JavaScript programmer. You generally build an app that's about 300K, and after you've included all your dependencies and node modules, you end up including about 12 gigs worth of dependency just to get your 300K app to run. I've been there, so I thought this was spot on. Another meme he posted was, as a developer, what I want to build is this huge luxury mansion, and what I'm forced to build looks like a slum somewhere. I thought that was really funny. But yeah, I've been there as well, that feeling that you have when you have to kind of rush or do things. I bring that up to talk about dependencies. Yes, it's totally clear that you want to eliminate dependencies, which is the focal point, the reason why I built the Nimble solution. But let me go on record before I talk about Nimble. I mentioned in my previous post of my little 3D video game engine that this was created with absolutely no dependencies. So I thought it only fair that I show you the JavaScript singletons. There's about 9 or 10 of them, and one startup script running inside an HTML page to make it all happen. Just wanted to go on record and make sure I showed my singletons and at least my dependencies within this web browser. That being said, over the past day or two, I spent my time focusing on Tailwinds. Tailwinds is another dependency CSS application, and Nimble by design is created to isolate your CSS properties into direct CSS styles, and then allow you to eventually package them up to make a CSS file that is optimized for your application. So I spent my time building, I don't know, about 30 or 40 Tailwind, reproducing the Tailwinds layouts and templates, and then used it to create a style manager set. Style managers, in case you don't know, are simply a snapshot of the style, values, and properties you use to create any element in your application. You can export them into little scripts, and then using the style manager, if I select this guy, you can now apply any of your previous styles to an element. So as I scroll through this list, which is dynamically created, you will see the style change to any of my presets. And you can reuse them at any time as you build apps. You can also set these styles as a default, so that the moment you insert a element from the toolbox, it will automatically be applied in the style you would like. Let me fix something. I think my auto height is not set. Yeah, there you go. So it will automatically apply the styles directly on the element as you drop them in. Colors, borders, and all. Once this is done, you will get a folder similar to this of files. You can even it'll even save attributes, and you can control the attributes that are saved. These custom style sets basically are the ones that I chose to imitate or mimic Tailwind's layout and design. So now, once these are applied to your project, they go inside your project folder. Once they're applied to your project, you can literally drag drop a Tailwinds application using Nimble. Nimble has a unique ability to abstract out the features and styles of any application or any library so that you can repurpose it and have sovereignty over your application. That's all I got for today. So at the end of this video, I'm going to just show you the screenshots that I generated and give you a nice little tune to listen to. Thank you for watching. Thank you.
Bye.